Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little mini haul. I have some items that I purchased from Sephora, Nordstrom, and Camera Ready Cosmetics. So if you guys want to see what I got, then let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another haul. So let's just jump right in. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this Patrick Ta tinted brow wax, and I already have a review on this, so you guys can check it out on my channel. But I love it, and I've been using it since I got it, and it really does give me just like a very natural looking brow. I also purchased his brush, which looks like this, and it's just a standard angled brush with a spoolie, and I have to say I really do like this brush. I kept the packaging so I can show you guys how it arrived. So this is the standard Patrick Ta packaging, and I really love it. I think it's really pretty, and who doesn't love a rose gold moment? I'm going through a nail polish moment. So the first set I'm going to show you guys is one that I posted on Instagram, and it's the Nude and Neons collection by Nails Inc., which is no longer available. I'm sorry. But it's 4 colors. You get a hot pink, an orange, a green, and then a neutral like taupey gray. And it's such a good opaque formula. The only thing I will tell you guys is anytime that you wear a neon, it's more likely to chip than something like this. It's just something about the formula, the pigment that just makes the nail chip, or the nail polish chip faster. But it's so good and so worth it. It was $22 for 4 full-size nail polishes, which is a beautiful price point. With that being said, I also picked up Seeing Stars, which is a beautiful milky nude shade with a nail polish that has star glitters. I got Kiss My Peach, Blame It on the Rainbow, which has this really awesome confetti glitter. It has multicolors. It's beautiful. And Sparkle Like a Unicorn. This one I wasn't 100% sure on, but it actually ended up being really pretty. And Base Coat. Oh, man, this nail polish brand is just so good. This color is the one that I have on, and it's just a beautiful milky mint, almost like a sage mint color. I love it so much. And this one is called Chrissy. The other one I got was Libra, which is just a peach nude color. And the last shade I got is Taurus, which is just a really pretty rose shade. I thought this one was going to be a little bit more on the brighter side, but I actually like how soft it is. We're going to jump into hair care. My hair has been so dry at the ends, and so it just breaks. Like if I run my finger through it, I'll have all of these like little 1 to 2 inch length hairs, and my hair is just breaking. So even like the cut that I have right now doesn't even look like the original cut, because my hair is just breaking. So like if I brush my hair, if I wash my hair, I'm just losing a ton of hair. I have so much breakage, it's not even funny. So I started to do some research, and the Way shampoo for thin hair was one of the options that was recommended for my hair type, which is thin straight hair. I do not color treat my hair. I haven't treated my hair in almost 3 years. As soon as I found out I was pregnant, I just stopped any hair treatment that I was doing, which really I was just doing ombre or adding color every now and then. But this is my natural hair color, and I don't really style it that often. Even when I am working, I don't heat style my hair a ton, because I just don't really have the time. Like I would rather do my makeup than my hair. The second shampoo that was recommended for my hair type, and the reason why I have the Way shampoo for thin hair, and truth be told, it's just, you know, it's It's in our guest bathroom. That to tell you that that's just how unimpressed I am by it. Like, I've worn it, I've used it a few times, it's just whatever. So they recommended, or this online magazine recommended, Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Biolymazine shampoo and conditioner. So I picked up both, and I used them today. I love how it smells. It smells like ginger. I don't know. It smells good. It has that plastic cap, but then you have just like your standard shampoo cap, and I really like it so far. I used the conditioner too. I felt that when I was using it, my hair felt thicker. I know that sounds crazy. And then when I put the conditioner on it, it felt thicker and it felt coated. And I'm like, great, it's gonna weigh my hair down. And no, my hair feels so soft. My ends don't look nearly as bad. And it really does feel really nice. It's supposed to be volumizing, and I did blow dry it today just to kind of see how much volume I can get out of it, and I would say that it's not a ton. Like, I don't notice I have all this volume, but my hair does feel lightweight. It looks healthy and shiny, and so far I'm liking it. I'll keep you guys updated on this as I use it, but so far so good. The other Briogeo product I picked up was this Don't Despair Repair. It's a strength and moisture leave-in mask, and it's a spray. It looks like this. So it has a nice aerosol can. You apply this to damp hair, and what they recommend is that you do from mid shaft down and really focus it on the ends, and then just air dry or blow dry however you like. So obviously I didn't try this, and I purposely didn't try this because I wanted to see what the shampoo and conditioner was like. I got the Playa Healing Hair Mask. This is something that was also recommended. It smells kind of powdery, but not in a bad way. This is one I think that you use in the shower, leave on for a few minutes, and then rinse out. So I'll probably implement this like once a week. But like I said, my hair has been falling out. I've even noticed that my lashes are looking kind of brittle and shorter than normal, so it just kind of indicates to me that something's going on. I also picked up these Sephora Hair Hold It Together makeup hair clips. They're just like those clips that don't dent your hair. You get 2 lilac ones and 2 white ones. I use these today actually, and I'll tell you guys, I bought some on Amazon, and these are way nicer. These feel sturdy. This plastic thing is really smooth, and it's not flimsy by any means. Not that you're putting a lot of pressure or hair into these, but these feel really nice. I got the Soft Focus Setting Spray by Hourglass and their new Veil Eyeshadow Primer. This is what the boxes look like. It's a standard copper brown packaging. So far, I have to say I'm really enjoying both products, and if you're looking for a setting spray that's going to make your skin look luminous and look very natural, you're going to love this. When you first apply it, it does feel a little heavy and oily on the skin, but it eventually sets and you no longer feel it. But if you're somebody who's just very sensitive to that kind of a feeling, don't get it, because initially when I wear it, I'm like, oh, I hate it already. But then a few minutes later, I realized that I didn't feel it anymore. My skin looked satin matte, not full-blown matte. I really like this. This so far, I have to say, I'm enjoying, but I feel like for the price point, you can probably get the Urban Decay Primer Potion or something else. It's not really a must. I just wanted to try it out for you guys. I got the Deep Clean Solid Blush Cleanser from Sephora Collection. I needed another cleanser. And the last 2 things that I got from Sephora are 2 more Gucci lipsticks. I got Penny Beige. This one I had been eyeing for a while. This is one of the first colors that I saw at the Michigan Avenue store, and I knew that this was a color that I wanted. And the other shade I picked up, the other color I got is Love Before Breakfast, and this is just a beautiful pink. I actually wanted to wear this today, but it didn't happen. My look just went completely different route. I mean, I could probably throw it on. It's fine. It's fine. I got well, this was a little set that was on Camera Ready Cosmetics. It's some Danessa Myricks face oil, which I have used and I'm loving. I thought I wasn't going to like it because I thought that it would just be really oily and heavy on the skin, but on days where I'm drier, I apply this and it's just like a ghost oil. It just absorbs into the skin. It gives you hydration and your foundation glides on like butter. The other thing that it came with is the Dew Wet Balm, which this is in clear. I have been wanting to try this because it's all over her Instagram, and I have to say I really like it. I've played with it a little bit. It still intimidates me, but I'm gonna play with it and just really learn how to make it work. When I did try it, it didn't pick up my foundation. It didn't cling to anything, so it seems like it's going to be pretty easy to use. I just don't really know how to use this 100% yet, so I'll play with it and report back. From Camera Ready Cosmetics, I got another Danessa Myricks liner. This one is in Liquid Lilac, and Milk Cosmetics Prissy, which is just a rose gold pink. I've used this already. I think this would be really pretty as like a shadow base. And then I got Immortal, which is just a black. And this one I felt like I didn't need because I have a blue one already, but this one has sparkle in it. This is Santos, and it's so beautiful and vibrant. Zoeva Cosmetics was having a sale where if you purchase something, I think it was for 2 days, if you purchase something, all the proceeds would go to, it would go towards COVID-19 relief funds. And I'm like, that's beautiful, right? It's a great way to give back. It's a win-win. You get a great set of brushes or whatever you decide to pick up, and then all of that money goes towards COVID-19 supports. So I picked up the Aristo brush set, which is just 5 brushes. They're beautiful. The handle is a beautiful matte black, and the ferrules are obviously gold. And you have, let's see here, a Luxe powder brush, which reminds me a lot of my MAC brush that I love to use to set my eyes. A Luxe eye blender, which is just a little stubby blending brush. An all over shader, which you could use to apply shadow, you could use to apply highlighter, I mean anything. You could use these brushes for anything. A wing liner brush, which I've never used an angled liner for brush. I should probably see if I can learn how to use a wing liner brush. I prefer something thin like the MAC 210. And a Luxe crease brush. I know I love this brush because I have this in another set that I had purchased from them, I think like 2 years ago. Beautiful brush set, and again, it was a really great cause, so win-win. All right guys, I had to take a little bit of a break, so I apologize because I switched the lip on you guys, but the last 2 things I got were Cinema Secrets Makeup Sanitizing Spray and their Solid Soap Brush Cleanser. That's in my bathroom though, I'm not gonna go get it. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you would like to see on my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.